Hi sisters, it's Tim K MUA and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna try to recreate one of James Charles's iconic Instagram pictures. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So in this picture James has black hair and I obviously do not, so I'm gonna try and spray paint it black using this temporary hair dye. Be right back. Okay, so now my hair is black, I'm gonna start off with the makeup. Today I'm gonna use the Milani foundation in the shade light beige. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 06 to highlight the center of my face. Okay, now I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Loose Powder to set my face. So now I'm gonna contour using the NYX Pro Highlight and Contour Palette. Okay, so I'm gonna bake my nose contour also using the Colourpop No Filter powder. I'm gonna prime my lids with the P. Louise base in the shade 0.5. I already did one eye off camera and now I will show you how I did that on the other eye. For today's look I'm using the James Charles palette and first I'm dipping in the shade Escape. For the middle of my eye I'm dipping into the shade Playground. And for the inner third, I'm using the shade Social Blade. On the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the same colors. Now I'm gonna use the shade Spooky to deepen up the outer corner. Now I'm gonna cut the crease using the P. Louise base again. Now I'm gonna pack the shade Ring Light all over the lid. I'm going back in with what's left on the brush from the shade Spooky to blend out the edge. Now I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean and I'm gonna line the waterline. Last but not least, I'm gonna use the shade Faced to highlight the inner corner. Okay, so I popped on some lashes. These are Lily lashes in the style Miami, so the only thing that's left to do is to pop on some rhinestones under the waterline and just above her crease. To prepare for highlighter, I'm gonna use some Fix Plus in the shade Gold Light. For highlighter I'm gonna use the shade Face from the Morphe X James Charles palette. For lips I'm first gonna line them using the Colourpop BFF Lippy Pencil. And to finish it off I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. So I'm gonna pop on a similar outfit that James had on in his photo, and I'm gonna try and recreate it outside. So here's the finished look and the finished picture. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!